here we've got some sales data, and there's a few things that I want to do within the sales data. So we've got the sales data by account, we've got account managers totals, and then we've got a quarter total. Within this quarter total, yes, we've got the Q1 total, we've got the Q2 total, but looking here, we've got some accounts that have gone up, some accounts that have gone drastically down. You know, we haven't got the ability to see what those changes were. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Copilot to insert a column after the Q2 total, showing a percentage margin change from that Q1 to Q2. It's going to go off. It's going to understand, you know, what I want. It's going to understand the formula. So if I know how to do this, it's going to know that you take the Q2 total, you minus the Q1 total, you divide it by the Q2 total, and then that gives you your percentage margin change. Now, again, I know that because I've used Copilot quite a lot, but before I wouldn't have known that. We've then got that explanation. So we're able to insert the column and we're able to ghost it in. Copilot's there and it's reduced that task for me. Now, what we've just done, if I know how to use Excel, and we have two different people that utilize Excel, power users and power avoiders. If I'm a power user, if I know how to create pivot tables, create charts of those pivot tables, I'm able to interrogate data intrinsically. Is Copilot in this current form going to assist me? Probably not. But as you can see at the top, we are in a preview at the moment. So it isn't the final version. It isn't that final finished article. It will be getting there, and it is coming in general availability. It should have been from Saturday, but I think it's been pushed back a little bit, but that will be coming. Now, yes, we've got the margin change, but actually it's not easy for me to see who are those accounts that we need to focus in on. Our company target is 10%. So anything under 10%, we want to highlight in red. Copilot's going to go off and, you know, again, if I know how to do this, it's going to do conditional formatting. Anything under this, do this for me. Copilot's taken that workload off me, so I'm able to understand, right, these are the accounts we need to focus in on, but actually fee inc has increased by 1,000%. I need to understand, you know, what's working well with this. Why has it been that increase? Is it someone new that's been onboarded? What was the reason for the increase? So we can start going out to the account manager and trying to roll out something across the business.